Want to turn long videos into viral shorts without editing anything manually? Let me show you exactly how to do it using a free tool called OpusClip. We'll walk through it step by step using a real video, so make sure to screen record or follow along. Step 1. Go to OpusClip and sign up. Open your browser and go to opus.pro. If you're new, click Sign Up, it's free. No credit card required. Once you're signed in, click on Upload Files or paste a YouTube link to the video you want to clip. For this demo, I'm uploading a 12-minute episode. Step 2. Let the AI analyze your video. Once your video is uploaded, OpusClip's AI automatically scans it. It looks for compelling hooks, speaker segments, and engaging moments. You'll see it generate a set of short videos under clips. Each one includes captions, zoom cuts, and framing for vertical format. It usually takes 1 to 3 minutes. Step 3. Review and edit your clips. Now click on any clip. You'll see the timeline, auto captions, and layout tools. Want to change text or timing? Just click and drag. You can also add B-roll, stickers, or switch between caption styles. Apply your brand colors and logos by clicking Brand Template. Step 4. Download or post your shorts. Once you're happy, click Download to save the video or click Post to publish directly to YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram, and more. You can even schedule posts using their social scheduler. That's it from a 10-minute video. I now have 4 ready-to-post shorts in under 5 minutes. If you're a creator, coach, or podcaster, this tool is a total game changer. Try it free at opus.pro and let me know how it works for you. This is AIChief. Like, comment, and subscribe for more tools that save your time.